Hello everyone, welcome to this week's new releases. These releases will go live Wednesday at noon Eastern, but I wanted to quickly mention, if you didn't watch my wax video on Friday, I do have a collab bundle up with fantasy wax. I will link them down below if there's any available. So it does come with a SPC sticker sheet and then 5 amazing wax melts that are all based off of members of my family. So there is Princess, which is Sweet Pea Bath and Body Works type, So Lila. There is Dra, which is Daisy Marc Jacobs type, which is my favorite perfume of all time. Then there's Sweet Nikki, which is orange, lime, lemon, and grapefruit. And this is a amazing fruity citrus scent. And I am not big on fruity, but I went through a bunch of oils that Kirsten had and picked some of my favorites, and then Nick picked this one from those, and it is amazing. And then there is TT, which is banana caramel cupcake, which smells like a banana cake that has caramel drizzled all over it, and it smells so good. And then last but certainly not least is ice cream scoop bread, which is Bennett's scent, and this one is red and black to kind of go in hand with his Mario love. So I will link that down below. But let's go ahead and get into SPC new releases. There are 3 new kits, 1 foil bundle, 10 new doodles, color of the week, and then I also wanted to show y'all these. A lot of you might have seen these in your most recent orders, but these just go in randomly, and I just wanted to show you some of the varieties, and they come in all different colors. So this is just a small selection, and there is a random one in every order. So this is Kirsten's freebie here in a light purple, and then this one is the J. Crew freebie in a beautiful mint. This one here is the Kane freebie in a navy, a cool tone navy. And then this is the Andrea freebie, and on the bottom of this one, I thought it'd be cute to do one for every member of my family as well, and they're just adorable. And then this one is the Kittenish Jess freebie. I don't know why that was a tongue twister today, but those will be going into random orders. You'll receive one, and a lot of you'll probably have received one already. But let's go ahead and get into the doodles. First things first is the color of the week, which is a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous sky blue. And I'm obsessed. I've been loving using color of the week every week. I check and see what color matches, and I feel like every single week I have a color that just works with one of the 4 colors or a color that is in the kit. So this has the 9 pages. I just love the 9th page for some reason. And there is a buy all bundle with a slight discount if you want to pick that up. Next, there is the 10 new doodles for this week. So I wanted to do a new house. This one is very a modern house. So this is 561 through 570. And then there is the neutral version of that. And then these are nail strips, which I thought were really, really cute. And then this one is sticker sheets. And then I wanted to do these, and I just did 3 to start, and if y'all like them, I'll do more. But these are princess-inspired colorways of the doodles. So this is the Tiana sheet, and then I changed the top 4. So this one has Hello, I'm Tiana, has some beignets, the frog, and then a crown. And then this one is Hello, I'm Snow White, and you have a little bird, the poison apple ears, and an apple. This one is Cinderella, and for this one you have a little mouse, a little glass slipper, and then a needle and thread. So those are kind of a start of a little what's the word I'm looking for? A little collection of sorts. And if y'all like them, I'll do more princesses in the future. Then there is some boats. These were very highly requested. Some burritos, and then also I did a beignet sheet because beignets are so yummy. So those are the 10 new doodles for this week. The limited edition colorway is only available Wednesday through Monday. So if you want to pick those up, definitely do so then. The foil bundle for this week is the overstock of the, I believe it was the April Mystery. It was the mermaid one. And this is Tropical Lavender Hollow. So this is the leftover stock of that. So you have your sheet with these 6 full boxes and the glitter header overlays. You get 2 of those, 2 of the bougie box page, the mini icons and scripts, the fancy headers, deco, date numbers, and bottom washi overlays. So that overstock will be available Wednesday as well. And then we have 3 kits as per usual. So let's go ahead into these. The first one here is a reformat, And this is a reformat of Book Nerd. Jess Kitnish has asked me if I would reformat this, and I was like, let's do it. A lot of people have actually asked for this to be reformatted, and all of the kits this week do come in Ultimate and Mini and have all of the add-on options. So let's go through this kit. So you have your full boxes here. I did go ahead and reformat these full boxes so you kind of have a different vibe. You have the wood in the like regular boxes, and then the marble in the flat lays. And I just think it is such a stinking cute kit with a really fun colorway. I love the extra boxes. I feel like this one you could totally do so many different foils with as well. You could do a classic gold, silver, rose, hollow. I feel like you could do a mixed metal, you could do a champagne lights, you could do a fun foil. The extra full box is so cute. And then the freebie is this box here in different skin tone options, and that comes in the mini and the ultimate. And then I'll go ahead and show y'all the add-on options for this. So again, there is the ultimate, the mini, and then the add-on options. There is the Doodles, the functional, and then the I'm trying to do the normal ones first. The label sampler, the ombre heart checklist, and then there is the extra color. So it's more of a like darker bluish purple. And then there is fam boxes. And I just wanted to really do a tall box. I thought she was really cute. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that is Book Nerd. And again, a reformat. Then this one is a little bit older art, and I decided that I wanted to make it into a kit, and this is Candy and Magic, and it is so stinking cute. I love the colors in this. You could totally do some really fun foils like hot pink, green, red, or you could just go classic gold, champagne lights, orange, something like that. Be adorable. Bonfire would be fun. Rose would be pretty. Sparkly hollow, especially with the green in there. Or you could do one of the magic bundles. I think that'd be really fun too, since this is kind of like wizardy themed, or sorry, wizard foil bundles. These are the full boxes. They are so cute, and I love this colorway together. I think it's super fun. You have a double box kind of flat lay there. It's just so stinking cute, and I love the patterns, especially a plaid pattern. You have an extra box here and the bottom washi, as well as an extra color as the kit freebie there. Like I said, this also does come in a mini kit. And then there is add-on options of fashion, functional, ombre, label, and the doodle, which is so pretty. So that is Candy and Magic, and last but not least is Strange, which is Stranger Things inspired art, and I love the colors of this kit. I only watched season 1 of Stranger Things. I haven't watched the rest, but Nick is really into it. But it is so cute, and like definitely a vibe with these colors. Again, I think you could do some really fun foil options with this. I'd love to know what y'all are thinking for foil down below, because you could do red, you could do blue, you could do the red and blue mix. That'd be another fun one to use with this. You could use black, like any of like the black, like with the squares in it, the black sparkly. You could just do black bougie boxes and bring in another foil. You could do a classic foil like silver, hollow, gold. You could do matte bronze with this, gold hollow. I just feel like there's no wrong answer with this one. For me, I think I'd probably use the blue, the red and blue, and then maybe bring in a black too, like red, blue, and black. I think that would be a vibe. So you have the 2 double boxes here, and this is 11 in max. I know that part. I love the ice cream and the Slurpee. That's just like definitely a me kind of vibe there. You have the deco page, the glitter headers. You have the other kids in this box here, the double box. I love the patterns in this. I just think it's so fun. Very like 80s, like 70s, 80s, 90s kind of vibes. And then you have the extra box, and then this bottom washi was just so fun with the blue. And then the freebie is the other double box scene. So there is a ton of boxes in this set, and it's so cute. I don't know. I like kind of want to use it just as like a fun like summer kit. Let me know. Or maybe I'll just watch the rest of them just so I have like a reason to use it. and like do something really fun with the foil. Also does come in a mini kit. There is the doodle, the functional, the label, the ombre, and then also the add-on option of the like other color. So the orange, I think this is just so pretty together. It'd be fun to bring in an orange foil too, because there's a lot of little orange bits in there, but obsessed. I love it. And I'm kind of thinking like maybe watching the other seasons. Let me know in the comments down below. Should I? Because this is the 4th season that's coming out, I think. I don't know. Let me know. Should I? Shouldn't I? Because I already watched the first one, so it's not like I already got one done. So that's everything for this week. I'm pretty sure that mystery is shipping this week, so y'all will see the reveal for that this week as well. I'm very excited about that one. I think I'm using every single mystery that comes out this year, and there's some really, really fun ones coming out at the end of the year that I am obsessed with. So I hope y'all love this week's new releases. They'll be available Wednesday at noon Eastern, and I will talk to y'all in the next video. Bye!